Hello, and welcome to Plasmatic Productions. And today, despite the background, we will not be doing the Lego Harry Potter Advent Calendar series, although I have been working on that. If you want to see it, check it out. Just click on my channel. But today, we will be looking at and building the Star Wars Imperial Dropship 20th Anniversary Edition. It is set number 75262, has 125 pieces and 4 minifigures. So, oh wait, 5, because it includes the 20th Anniversary Han Solo collectible minifigure. So, let's build this up and we'll take a look. So, welcome back, and here is the completed product. So, this set comes with the Dropship and 5 minifigures. Which is made up of 3 Stormtroopers, a Shadow Trooper, and the classic Han Solo, and the stand. And this piece, for some reason, it just sort of says to put this on the side. I don't know why. Maybe for these guys? I don't know. So it's a decent stand. Nothing else I really want to say about that. Han Solo minifigure. Yeah, I get it. It's a classic celebration and all. And I think I'm going to leave this figure on the display stand because that's all I'm ever going to use him for. Because other than that, he's not a particularly great minifigure. So that's all for that. Anyway, let's take a look at these minifigures. So first, let's take a look at the Shadow Trooper. I like the Shadow Trooper helmet. I think it might just be a recolor of the regular Stormtrooper helmet mold, but still nice to see. I like this printing. It's very sleek. I like how the legs are still different. No arm printing, unfortunately. As you saw before, it's just the standard Stormtrooper head. You have the stud shooter. And if you don't know how they work, you just press down on that. The stud goes flying. Sorry, I don't want to let it go flying too far because I have 3 cats, and the cats will probably find it, eat it, swallow it, choke on it. So anyway, that's the Shadow Trooper, and we have 3 identical Stormtroopers. This is a slightly updated helmet mold. It's very different on the inside than it usually is. Other than that, I think it's just the standard Stormtrooper. Either way, still nice to see them. They're good army builders. Now when it comes to the actual ship itself, the Imperial Dropship, it's as it says in the instruction manual, a Lego exclusive. So this has never been seen in a movie, only within Lego itself. So the build is relatively simplistic as it's only about 100 pieces. These things are adjustable. The main play feature is that if this is flying and you lift it up, that can slide right off. That's why it's called a dropship, I think, because it just. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna plug the figures in. So, I think you're supposed to have the 3 stormtroopers in the back here. And while I do that, I'm gonna talk a little bit about the build itself. It is, again, built into these 2 sections, and there's sides that it's pretty simple, to be honest, and I like that simplicity. It's gonna be a very good play set, and as I said, it's an army builder. So you have those on there, and then you push this down, it actually just holds it in place with that gray thing there. Only thing I don't like is how these Technic pins are shown, but I guess in order to do the play feature, you have to have that there. Now, the Shadow Trooper is supposed to be the pilot, and you're supposed to stick the stud shooters into these slots here. Sort of as storage, but also because it would be the ship's only weaponry, as there is actually no blasters or laser turrets on this ship at all in any shape or form, except for these blasters. Now, of course, these can be adjusted, so I'm going to show you the drop feature one more time. This flies up, and then they all fly out. So now let's just take a look at the packaging, instructions, and final decision. So here we have the instruction. It's the 20th anniversary. We have a comparison page. I really like this. I like doing the compare and contrast. If you're interested in this, you can just pause the video. There, and there. The advertisements for the other sets, and in the back, just more advertisements. Packaging, so you've seen this before, it just advertises the play features on the back and the other 20th anniversary minifigures. So all in all, I think this set is very good, very reasonably priced too, actually. It retails for, actually, I don't remember. I got this as a gift because we were doing Secret Santa at my school. But anyway, it's a very good set. It's a very sturdy build. I'm just repeating myself now, so that's when I know it's time to end the video. Have a good day, everybody. Happy holidays, and goodbye.